Everything was running as planned. Production was on schedule. Demand remained strong. Then, the market shifted. A 15% increase in raw material costs raised prices for steel, aluminum, and battery materials. It affected products, margins, forecasts, and ultimately profitability. The challenge was understanding how to respond and what happens next. Answering those questions normally required days of reconciling disconnected data across finance, operations, and supply chain systems. To solve this, the business used eTWIN, an AI-native digital twin. eTWIN created a digital twin that connected bills of material, vehicle programs, costs, and profitability into a single enterprise view, revealing how changes in one area impacts the entire automotive business. Instead of spending days gathering and analyzing data, leaders simulated market disruptions and manufacturing scenarios in seconds, enabling faster and more informed decisions. Within moments, leaders could see which components drove increased costs, which vehicle programs faced the greatest exposure, how margins are affected, and where financial risk was concentrated across the portfolio. Most enterprise systems tell you what happened. eTWIN helps you understand what happens next. eTWIN from CEI.